Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can register for Shopify. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just log out of my current account and then I'm going to be showing you guys from this page how you can register. Now, this is going to take me to the login page and here you can click on start free trial, which will then give you a free trial for 3 days and then you can sign up however you want. Now, you can sign in with your email or with Google, Apple, or Facebook. I'm just going to select email, and now you're going to have to select an email and a password. Once you do this, you're going to then have to go ahead and go to your email and verify your account, and once you do, your Shopify will be, started, and then you can go ahead and set up your page and everything. Now, I won't be doing this since I have run out of emails that I can use on Shopify, so I'm just going to sign in with one of my accounts. I'll just select this account, which I already have an account on, and then once you figure everything out and log into Spotify or Shopify, then you're gonna have to set up your page. As you can see, this is prompting me to put in some prompts which will automatically generate parts of my store for me, but I won't be doing that. And as you can see, once you're done with that, you can follow this setup guide to finish everything else and to finally launch your store. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.